Hello children, good morning to you all. Today I am going to give you the remaining question answers. Answer in detail, but yesterday actually I have posted both the questions in B bit, but reading part was remaining. So we are going to write and read that question. In B bit, second question. Yesterday we read only one first A. In B bit first one A and B questions we read. Now second A and B questions we will read them. After that we are going to see but answer in detail. Okay. So we are going to read B bit second question. What is the sentence? One day a tourist passing by saw Sudarshan working on a sculpture. On the basis of this sentence, one day a tourist passing by saw Sudarshan working on a sculpture. In that question, A says, what did the tourist tell Sudarshan? What did the tourist tell Sudarshan? Answer is the tourist told Sudarshan that the nose of the figure was very large and it looked abnormal. So, what did the tourist tell Sudarshan? The tourist told Sudarshan that the nose of the figure was very large and it looked abnormal. The tourist told Sudarshan that the nose of the figure was very large and it looked abnormal. Now let us go to the second question. Question B in the second B bit. What did Sudarshan do after that? What did Sudarshan do after that? Answer is Sudarshan went back. Sudarshan went back to the beach. Sudarshan went back to the beach for the next few days. For the next few days. And made the figure over and over till people told him the nose was perfect. Nose was perfect. What did Sudarshan do after that? Sudarshan went back to the beach for the next few days and made the figure over and over till people told him that the nose was perfect. Sudarshan went back to the beach for the next few days and made the figure over and over till people told him that the nose was perfect. So this reading part was left. I gave yesterday only these questions for writing. Okay. So now our today's fresh work is answer in detail. Bit C we are doing now. Bit C, answer in detail. C bit. Answer in detail. Answer in detail is our next bit. Okay. Answer in detail is our next bit. In that, first question is, what happened at the Sand Sculpting World Cup in 2014? It is almost the same as we got. So we will delete first. We will take second question as first one. First question many times we repeated. See, in a comprehension passage you got the same answers, and yesterday also short answers. Most of the questions you got from the same paragraph. So I don't want to repeat it again. I am cancelling first question, giving second question as the first one. Explain how. So second question is, explain how Sudarshan started making sand sculptures. Explain how Sudarshan started making sand sculptures. Sudarshan used endless Sudarshan used endless seashore to make his patterns. To make the patterns with sand. With wet sand. He dug his fingers in the wet sand and he dug his fingers in the wet sand and started making patterns. Started making patterns. Slowly, he started making sand castles which were liked by in which he spent most of his time. So this is how he started making sand sculpture. Explain how Sudarshan started making sand sculpture. Sudarshan used endless seashore to make the patterns with wet sand. He dug his fingers in the wet sand and started making patterns. Slowly, he started making sand castles in which he spent most of his time. Sudarshan used endless seashore to make the patterns with wet sand. He dug his fingers in the wet sand and started making patterns. Slowly, he started making sand castles in which he spent most of his time. So let us go to second question. Answer in detail. Third question would be our second question. Third question in the textbook will be our second question because we deleted first question. What does Sudarshan try to show? What does Sudarshan try to show? What does Sudarshan try to show through his artwork? What does Sudarshan try to show through his artwork? Our answer is through his artwork, through his artwork, Sudarshan tried to show important messages, celebrations, important people, etc. In 2004, in 2004, he created a sculpture appealing for help for the victims of tsunami. For the victims of tsunami. The Indian Ocean tsunami. So, what does Sudarshan try to show through his artwork? Through his artwork, Sudarshan tries to show important messages, celebrations, important people, etc. In 2004, he created a sculpture appealing for help for the victims of the Indian Ocean tsunami. Understand? Through his artwork, Sudarshan tries to show important messages, celebrations, important people, etc. In 2004, he created a sculpture appealing for help for the victims of the Indian Ocean tsunami. So, last question, simple. I took it from think and answer. I will add it to this part only. Answer in detail. And here ends our class after this question. Very nice question it is. I took it from think and answer. I made it the third question. Which qualities of Sudarshan Qualities of Sudarshan. Which qualities of Sudarshan do you think made him so successful? Made him successful. Which qualities of Sudarshan do you think made him successful? Answer is Sudarshan's qualities such as his dedication, hard work, learning by doing, and correcting his mistakes. Correcting the mistakes made him successful. So, which qualities of Sudarshan do you think made him successful? Sudarshan's qualities such as his dedication, hard work, learning by doing, and correcting the mistakes made him successful. So, Sudarshan's qualities such as his dedication, hard work, learning by doing, and correcting the mistakes made him successful. Sudarshan's qualities such as his dedication, hard work, learning by doing, and correcting the mistakes made him successful. These are the question answers. So, we completed today's session of question answers. Tomorrow we will go with grammar part. Here we stop. Thank you. I hope you understood what I wrote on the blackboard and read. It is only for reading. I am going to post the typed matters also. Thank you.